Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today is another video on how to balance a chemical equation. We've done some videos before. In case you have not watched them, after watching this one, you can scroll back and watch for more understanding. Okay, so let's continue. So in my previous videos, I said anytime you want to start balancing any chemical equation, you have to write out all the elements at your left side. Also write out all the elements at your right side. Are you getting it? In my previous video, I also said um, the elements or the compounds at your left side are called the reactants, while these ones at the right side are called the what? The products. And this arrow is called the forward reaction because it's both pointing forward. And the arrow that is pointing backward is called the backward reaction. So let's continue. So let's first of all write out all the elements out to our right side. So the first one is what? Iron. So let's write it out. Iron. The second one is what? Hydrogen. While the third one is what? Oxygen. We are done with the left side. So let's come to the right side. The right side, the first element is what? Iron. The second one is oxygen. The third one is what? Hydrogen. In my previous video, I said only the coefficients can be changed, but the subscript cannot be changed. Meaning the subscript means these down numbers, they can't be changed. But only the coefficient, meaning here we have one, we have unknown one here, we have one here, but no need of writing it. Are you getting it? So only that one can be changed from two, from 1 to 2, 3, 4 to 12, any number, okay? But just note that the subscript cannot be changed, only the coefficient can be changed, okay? So we are done writing down the elements in both our left and right side, right? So let's write the specific atoms. So here we have one, iron, we have one. I've said it before, I said here we have one, okay? So why here we have hydrogen is what? 2. Are you getting it? Hydrogen have 2 atoms here. Here we have 1. So if you multiply 2 to that one, it will still give you 2. Okay, so hydrogen we have 2. Oxygen we have 1. So we are done with our left side. Let's come to our right side. Iron we have 3 here, right? Why oxygen here we have 4. Hydrogen we have 2. So before a chemical equation is balanced, the atoms at your left side must be equal or the same with the atoms at your right side. Are you getting it? When they are the same before the equation is regarded as a balanced equation. So let's check if the equation is balanced or not. The first one is iron. Iron at our left side is 1, but this one is 3, meaning iron is not yet balanced. So what are we going to do? I've said it before, I said only the coefficient can be changed, right? So let's introduce 3 here. Okay, so iron is now 3 at the left side. So 1 multiplied by the 3 will give us 3. So iron is now what? Balanced. So let's come to the second one. Hydrogen here is 2. At our right side is 2. So it's balanced. Oxygen at our left side is 1, but at our right side is 4. Are you getting it? So what are we going to do? Here is 1, here is 4. So what are we going to do? We have to change this coefficient to what? To 4. Here is 4, meaning this 4 is affecting both the hydrogen and the oxygen. Are you getting it? This 4 is affecting both the hydrogen and the oxygen. Okay, so hydrogen is now 8, meaning 4 multiplied by these 2 will give you 8. Okay, but oxygen is now what? 4, because we have 1 here. We have 1 here. So 4 multiplied by the 1 give us what? Give us equal to 4. Are you getting it? Oxygen is now balanced, but Know that I said this 4 is affecting both the hydrogen and the oxygen here, right? So hydrogen is now what? 8. 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8 at the left side, which is this one, right? So the 4 multiplied by 2 will give us 8. So at our left side, hydrogen is now what? 8. Hydrogen have 8 atoms here. But let's check our right side. Our right side, hydrogen is 2, meaning hydrogen is not yet balanced. So what are we going to do? So we introduce 4 here. So once we introduce 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is what? Is 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 give us 8. So let's check if the equation is balanced. So iron, is balanced. Hydrogen, 8, 8 is balanced. Oxygen, 4, 4 is now balanced. So now we know that the atoms at our left side is now equal to the atoms at the what? At the right side. So the equation is regarded as a balanced equation. So this is how to balance any chemical equation. In case you have not watched the previous video, you can scroll back and watch them for more understanding. Okay. If you like this video, please comment, follow for more videos if you are watching on Facebook. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to share. Bye.